Institute of Science and Technology. After my college, I came to QSpiders and joined the full stack software testing course. At first, I joined in manual testing course. In that manual testing, sir taught me the concepts very well. He was explaining detailedly how the concepts are there. Then he was explaining how companies will react to this concept, how company will be using these concepts in their real-time environment. Then I joined in Java class. In Java, Nandish sir took me Java, and he took Java. Java, he doesn't take only programs on that right. He teaches theory first, and after teaching theory, you will connect those theories into programs, so that will be easy for you to understand him. Java, he doesn't take only programs on that right. He teaches theory first, and after teaching theory, you will connect those theories into programs, so that will be easy for you to understand him. Java, he doesn't take only programs.